What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm sweating. Today's video we're doing another Starbucks video, trying another Starbucks drink. It's really freaking hot outside. I have no AC in my car. I'm sweating in my car, but I'm going to be trying a iced drink today because like I said, it's freaking hot outside. Sorry I keep looking around. I'm just kind of like distracted today. I don't know what it is. But I decided I was going to try the iced caramel cloud macchiato. That's not the one I wanted. I wanted the cocoa. I put it in my Starbucks app because I wanted to see the price of it. And I accidentally pressed the wrong one. That's the one I want. The iced cocoa cloud macchiato, because I like cocoa better than caramel. Even though I know caramel I think is still on it. But I really wanted to try it. I have been seeing it like everywhere, and every time I would go to like film a Starbucks video I was like, oh my gosh, I really want to try it, and I just never could bring myself to try it. So we're gonna try it today. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go to Starbucks. Iced cocoa cloud macchiato.
Definitely. Anything else for you today?
That's it.
Alrighty, it is going to be 9:40 at the window for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Awesome. I don't understand why the lighting has to be so bad when I order, but then like I come right here and I look so good. Thank you.
See you later.
Bye. Okay guys, so here we have the tall iced cocoa cloud macchiato. It's literally so pretty. Like, I think this is gorgeous. I don't want to drink it. I don't know if you're supposed to stir a macchiato or not. Let me Google. Are you supposed to stir a macchiato? Let's see what it says. No, hold on. A cloud macchiato is what I meant. Let's see. Do you mix a cloud? There's also oh my gosh, why is it not telling me? Oh, it says no, you shouldn't. Okay, so it says no, so I'm not going to. And then after I try it when it's not stirred, I'm gonna stir it. So here we go. I like that. That's really good. Oh, the cloud. Oh my god. That's so good. I'm trying to think of how I could describe the cloud to you. It literally just like tastes like sweet cream. Like, it's really good. And then I taste the cocoa, and then the coffee. Try not to be too loud because my window's open. I'm like so hot, I have to keep my window open. It's honestly like a 8 out of 10. Totally recommend. It is delicious, and not for like, I'm not a very hardcore coffee lover. I'm slowly starting to like coffee. This is really good. So I'm surprised I honestly liked it. I didn't think I was going to like it at all, to be honest, but I really wanted to try it. So I definitely recommend this. I think this was $4.35 or somewhere along the lines of that. It's pretty cheap. Actually, it's pretty expensive for a tall now that I think about it. For a grande, I'd be like, oh, it's cheap. But like, it's $4. Still so good. Totally recommend to you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Comment down below if you've tried this before, if you like it. Please tell me your thoughts. I would love to know. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.